Are you considering buying a new build in Navarre, Florida that has subdivision with a playground and sidewalks? Well, today I'm going to tour a 4-bedroom, 2-bath that is a new build in Navarre, Florida. If this is something that you are interested in, all of my contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's go check out this house. So this is a new build. The builder is Herbst Construction, and we are in Navarre, Florida. We come into the foyer. It does have a large walk-in foyer with a coat closet off the foyer. And a good sized coat closet. Got the arched entryway as well with crown molding. You walk right into the dining room, living room, kitchen area. You got the tray ceiling in the dining room as well as a multi-tray ceiling in the living room with the recessed lighting. This is luxury vinyl plank flooring. The bedrooms do have carpeting. So this is the access to the garage. You come in from the garage, you do have the laundry room off the side, and also what is really nice is you do have access to the main bedroom closet from the laundry room. So we'll go right into the main closet. It's a good sized closet. It does have the carpeting, and the bathroom has the luxury vinyl plank with a double vanity and the separate tub and a curbless shower. It's a tile shower with 2 shower heads. There is a linen closet, and also you do have this separate water closet. The main bedroom has the carpeting with the tray ceiling. The main bedroom is in the back of the house, and it comes out to the living room, kitchen, dining room area. So it does come around from the laundry room area, through the laundry room, through the closet, and then back through the main bedroom. So the kitchen has the granite countertops, have a separate island, got the sink on the island. It does have the under cabinet lighting and the stainless steel appliances. There's a walk-in pantry. It has the wire shelving already installed. The stainless steel refrigerator and also the dishwasher. So this is the living room, right? And then you've got the front door, and that door off in the distance here at the archway, that will take you to the garage and the laundry room, and then the main bedroom. So now we're going to take a walk out to the covered patio. So the covered patio has the recessed lighting that have the vinyl siding on the ceiling. The whole yard is fenced in. And this property is also treated for the termites. It is treated by Bug Meisters. Does have the termite bond. We go back in from the covered patio. We're going to go through the living room and check out the other 3 bedrooms. So the other 3 bedrooms are on the same side of the house, and they do share a full bathroom. So this would be bathroom number 2, and it does have a single vanity with a tub shower combo. We'll go to the first bedroom on the other side, which would be the second bedroom. The second bedroom here, this one is in the back of the house. It does have a large closet, the lighting, and also the wire shelving. And bedroom number 3 is in the front of the house. That also has the carpeting, and it is in the front of the house. And it does have the wire shelving with lighting in the closet as well. And then the last bedroom has the carpeting, bedroom number 4, also in the front of the house. Got the fan and the light, and then the closet as well with the wired shelving and lighting. There's also a linen closet in the hallway over by the 3 bedrooms on the split floor plan. So this floor plan is called the Liberty. It does have the 4 bedrooms and the 2 bathrooms. It is a 2-car garage. If this is something that you are interested in, all of my contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. If you are looking for a new home in Navarre, Florida, well, there's a new subdivision going up right now. It's called Buckeye's Landing. It is in Navarre, Florida, and the builder is Herbst Builders, and they have 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom, and also 5-bedroom homes.